Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2007 Dodge Caliber, stock number 17M580A. Swinging around to the passenger side, and then we're going to take a look inside at the cloth interior. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Caliber on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.